Demonstrating the K4 autopilot with the automatic Y-beam following system. So the K4 is doing its job. Whenever there's a deviation from its set course, it will automatically return the aircraft back to its original set course, which in this case is 270 degrees. This instrument is the Y-beam indicator, and we can see that we're actually flying to the left of the beam. And if we automatically want to fly towards the beam, we can simply use this switch. When I flick that switch, what I expect to happen is that the aircraft will make a right turn as quickly as possible, and as it approaches the beam, it will slowly turn the aircraft back towards the original set course of 270 degrees. Now let's see what happens. So as expected, the aircraft makes a right turn, which takes it closer towards the beam. As it gets closer to the beam, the radio receiver, the FOD28, will receive a signal that is closer to the beam, and we can see that slowly the indicator is moving towards the middle. And all the while, the autopilot is slowly bringing us back to the original 270 degrees direction, which is parallel to the beam. So it now makes regular small corrections, flying the last part of the S-curve to land us right on the center of the beam. Each correction, it takes us a few degrees more parallel to the beam, and as we get close, this process will slow down a little bit as we very gradually position the aircraft parallel to the beam again. We're now less than 10 degrees angle, so we're approaching the beam very slowly. We may actually overshoot it slightly, but the system keeps making small adjustments. Now also in real life there may be a slight difference between the actual direction of the beam and the course that the aircraft will fly due to wind drift. The LKZG unit automatically compensates for this wind drift. Obviously we don't have wind in this model, but it does use an electronic integrated system which may drift slightly. So it may actually be the result of the drift of the integrator that we are not returning 100% to the 270 degrees. So I think the system is still working on it, and in a few minutes we may actually find ourselves exactly back on the 270 degrees.